Hey guys, Jason with Awesome RT here again, and we are installing tire stickers from TireStickers.com. I purchased mine on Amazon, but same company, same thing. They just have an Amazon store. And what I'm doing right now is cleaning the area on the tire where I'm going to be putting tire stickers. Now, you want to make sure, I test lay them on there, make sure you get them where you want them. I know you guys can't see very well, but I'm just going to be wiping the tire anyway, so no biggie. But what you want to do is keep cleaning the tire, getting in all the grooves, and just keep cleaning until your rag comes out, wiping nothing off. So it should not be showing anything black whenever you get down. Have to excuse my little guy in the background. He's having some fun down here today with Daddy. We're about there. I almost got it clean enough where I pre-cleaned these a little bit during the before I started the video. What? Daddy's putting on tire stickers, buddy, for Lulu. Yeah, Lulu. Isn't that gonna be awesome? Yep, it's going to be awesome. Can you say tire stickers?
Tire stickers.
Yeah, tire stickers. Yeah, they don't. I could have got a Kentucky Wildcat maybe if they would have. Could have uploaded a custom logo. Dang, I should have thought of that. Man, I'll get that next time. Good job, buddy.
Go Cats.
Yeah, go Cats.
Dad,
Yeah.
in my stick. Dad,
What?
my sticky too.
Uh-huh.
Sticky too. Dad, sticky too.
Yep, that's it, buddy. Alright, guys, I'm almost done cleaning. Just making sure I'm not getting anything else off on this rag as I'm
Dad,
wiping. Yes, buddy.
I got sick.
I know, I see it, buddy.
Sick. Dad,
What, buddy?
sick.
Sticky. Alright, guys, so I got the first one cleaned, the first little section cleaned. So the way you want to do it with your, once you get it cleaned in the glue, so you're going to pop the top on the glue, and then you want to lay, I would lay your tire stickers to kind of get an idea of where you want them. Because you don't want to have to lift them and move them again. So if you watch my unboxing video, you saw that like the Mopar came in two sections. Reason being is they want you to not put it on as one big strip. You want to do maybe 2, 3, 4, kind of at most, depending on how big your hands are. That many letters at one time, because you're going to have to paint on the glue and then apply the letters and press for 30 seconds. You know, to really smash that glue in there. And so you want to, unless your hands, my hands are not monstrous. I have small hands for a guy, so 4 letters would be about my max anyway. So you want to push down on those letters for 30 seconds and then let them sit. So I'm going to go ahead and apply, and we will see how they turn out. It's all right, little buddy. It's okay. Sleepyhead. All right, guys. Hang on, buddy. I gotta talk for a second. Hey, guys. So these look so good. Oh my god, I love it. It is just so nice. Okay, so, but I do want to make one little installation note that wasn't in the actual TireStickers.com video. So when you're peeling these off, I've noticed, so if you listen, that's rubber. That is not. So I guess when they cut them or something, Jesus, my dog is so loud. But I've been having to use my wife's tweezers and find that edge, and then as you can see, you can peel it up now. So you just want to make sure that, don't leave that, mother bleep. You don't want to leave that on there, because they don't look as white. I mean, you kind of tell from the picture. Here, so you can see a little bit, still on there. Not But just wanted to add that real quick, just make sure to get those off. God, this looks so freaking good. Man. Focus. There we go.
Dad. Have fun.
I know, buddy. It is fun. All right, guys. I'm going to get back to it. Whew. Man. It is like 2:40 in the morning. I got to be up at 6:30 to get my little girl ready for school. But project is done. So that's one. Front 2 tires are already on the car. And there's the other one. So they are just drying. And it's not the stickers that are drying, it's the super wrap. Super wrap has to sit for 6 to 12 hours. And had a little piece of sticker popping up. I had to squeeze it back down. But anyway, this was a long project. It took me 2.5 days. 2 days, I guess. Because, funny story, I only had 2 jack stands. Because I have 4 jack stands in my office at work to hold my desk up to a standing desk height. Because here, ignore the mess. But at home, I stand all day, so I wanted to do the same at work. So I took 4 of my jack stands to work. So it was interesting trying to get the rear jacked up and onto the stands with only 2. It was kind of a pain, but we got it. Got it done. So this is going to wrap it up for the install video, guys. I think I'll do like a kind of a combined impressions, first impression obviously after both the super wrap and the tire stickers is done is fantastic. The front wheels are on the car already because they were drying overnight last night, and it looks fucking great. Pardon my language, but I'm very happy with how it turned out. Now, how well each of them hold up to the elements. I mean, I know lots of people have tire stickers, and they've seemed to hold up very well. So I'm not too worried about them. The super wrap, I think it would be fine. Obviously, I mean, there's people on YouTube that's had it for 6 months, 7 months, and they're like, I just want to take it off, So I mean, I'm gonna leave it on. I might leave it on and just see how long it looks good, because I like white wheels. My first cars was white car with white wheels, so I'm a fan. But I'm going to bed, gonna get 3 hours of sleep, and then get back up and put these wheels on. Y'all have a good one. Enjoy those Mopars. Man, I'm tired. I can't even get my closing right.